I'm Rick Farley, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in Brief. First, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act provides for 100% bonus depreciation for property acquired and placed in service after January 19th, 2025. The provision has been made permanent. Second, the Act also made changes to federal tax credits aimed at promoting cleaner transportation fuels, including the Section 40 Cap B Sustainable Aircraft Fuel Credit and the Section 45 Cap Z Clean Fuel Production Credit. Third, personal use of an employer-provided aircraft by an employee requires imputation of a taxable fringe benefit amount to the employee for the fair market value of such personal use. The following is important to know. First, for financial statement purposes, the effects of the change in bonus depreciation must be recognized in the period in which the law is enacted and reported as a component of the income tax provision relating to continuing operations. Second, the Act extended the sunset date of the Section 45 Cap Z credit by 2 years to December 31st, 2029. While there are other changes to these credits that could apply as early as tax years beginning after July 4th, 2025. Finally, use of the SIFL rules results in a lower amount of imputed income to an employee for personal use of employer-provided aircraft. Consequently, many taxpayers use the SIFL rules rather than the general fair market value rates. As the IRS continues its examination initiative on the use of company aircraft of a taxpayer, IRS examination agents will request flight logs and supporting calculations of all personal flights where the employer utilized the SIFL rules to impute income for personal flights taken by employees. Companies implementing provisions from the Act will need to carefully evaluate how the provision will affect their existing financial statement positions and disclosures to appropriately account for the changes in the period of enactment. Furthermore, taxpayers should review their flight logs to ensure that they appropriately classify the business versus personal reasons each passenger is on board the company aircraft. For more details, read the attached insight. Thanks for watching. This has been PwC's Tax Insights in Brief.